Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics, and today we're going to go over how to install the EVO II propeller guards. So we're going to begin by lining up the four sections of the propeller guards according to which leg they go on. You're going to have the front left, the rear left, the front right, and the rear right. On each individual propeller guard, there is going to be a marking on there that lines up with that section. So we're going to start off by fitting the propeller guard onto the leg, snap it in, twist it towards the front of the aircraft, and then lock it into place with the latch. We're going to do that with all four sections prior to connecting them. After you've installed the four sections onto the legs, then you're going to grab these two middle sections and snap them into place. Thank you for watching, guys. That was how to put together EVO II propeller guards. Stay tuned for the next video.